We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Mullen stock, struggling to hold itself up higher, but finding support higher than where it started yesterday and in the pre-market. Now, while that was happening, the overall market was pushing up higher, and our SPY bot at 9:55 a.m. sent us out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, call options went up 300% plus within an hour. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts with 42 vision. So here we are with Mullen stock holding itself up, fighting to get back up to the highs of the day in the aftermarket hours, and we're going to break it all down in today's video. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning by our QQQ bot over at the Discord. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations, and the stocks I mentioned this morning gave 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but our home run of the day turned out to be our QQQ bot. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and have this edging clarity over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the bots and getting connected to the Discord to become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So the QQQ bot today sent out a bull indicator at 9:50 a.m. and this is how it performed. It turned out to push up higher. It was in the reversal, got that bull indicator at 9:50 a.m. and calls were up 500% plus within an hour, guys. And here you have it, as you could see on the screen, at their highest points and peak of the day, they were up 500% plus. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and you want to receive this edge and clarity over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected over to the SPY bot. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Mullen stock, and as I stated earlier in the video, trying to hold itself up and get back up towards the highs of the pre-market. Now I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets in either direction. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts with 42 vision. So Mullen stock got a bull indicator yesterday at 78 cents, hit that dip area of white with red borders, came back up, consolidated, no bear indicator, and went into strength today up towards the pre-market and after the bell. Consolidated here today and just got a bear indicator in the 30 minutes. So within the volatility, it has received a bull indicator and bear indicator in just 2 days. And this is super important. I'm going to be watching this going into Monday because this bear indicator could signify further weakness if it breaks through support levels, unless it gets canceled right away by a bull indicator in the process and breaking through resistance levels to the upside. So that's what we're going to talk about here. But let's look at the larger time frames as well. So on the 4-hour, you could see that it's under a bull indicator. Full transition here so far into dark green from white with red borders, white with green borders, red with green borders. Got that bull indicator at 87 cents and went to highs here so far of 112. So we call the white with red borders the dip area, and the rip areas are the bright green areas. We still haven't transitioned completely into that, and this is the first bull indicator that actually cancels out this bear indicator from way up here at $2.52. Now if we go back in the history of the chart, it went through the process of jumping up with a bull indicator after canceling out the last bear indicator up at the $3 range, jumped up, got a bear indicator, had some volatility, got a bull indicator, went up, pulled back, and took off, and no bull indicator popped up in the process, right? So this is the first time in a long time that we see a bull indicator popping up, and after such a huge decline and hitting white with red borders. So super important where we're at right now. And on the 4-hour, we want to see this continue with strength. Even though right now it's sitting sideways or struggling to go higher, it is still an area where no bear indicator has popped up to cancel this out. And we're still in dark green. And we want to see this try to reverse back up and get larger bars to the upside with the wicks to the top and bright green in the process, or even dark green, but a continuation of momentum breaking through resistance levels. Now, on the 1 day, you could see that things have reversed for the first time from white with red borders to red with green borders. But in the bigger picture, since way up here at $2.38, we have been under a bear indicator, guys. Super important to realize that all the way up to this point, but just beginning that first level of reversal. Now, the last time it tried to go to red with green borders is when things quickly rejected even lower. So definitely important to see this continue and eventually get pulled up with the 4-hour and the 30-minute and cancel out this bear indicator by receiving a bull indicator in the process as these shifts continue. So that's what I'm going to be watching here on these larger time frames. Now, on the 30-minute, this bear indicator is either going to be a fake out or the real deal. And that's what I'm going to be watching. Once again, going into Monday, it's super important because it just popped up in the middle of the transitions. And if you really think about it, this was a complete transition here from white with red borders to dark green to bright green, pulled back, no bear indicator, continued, bright green again. And this is the dip area. Bull indicator has extra layer of confirmation. This is the rip area, right? And it hit it 2 times in the last 2 days. And now it's shifting back down. And we're at dark green with red borders. And if this continues to the downside, right? And continuing that trend and goes into red bars, and this bear indicator holds true and it breaks through supports, this could continue to the downside more than we've already seen. So what's the first support? 92 cents. If it breaks through that, the next level will be down here at 84 cents, and worst case scenario below that will be all the way back down here to 76 cents. And I'm going to be watching if the bulls can reappear and bring it back up. Now to the upside, we want to see this break above 108, then back up here towards 112, and then all the way back up towards 120 based off the history of the chart and how things have played out so far in the last several days. Those are the key levels going into Monday. I'm going to be watching here because this bull indicator is canceled out by this bear indicator. But if this can try to bring itself back up and break through resistance levels and get another bull indicator in the process, this will be canceled out as well. A lot of volatility going on right now, and this will either hold true going into next week or get canceled out once again pretty quickly, and the momentum may try to continue to the upside, and we'll see the 4-hour and 1-day pull up with it as well. To receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make